If you're wondering how to add custom animations in Outgrow quizzes, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to easily enhance your quizzes with custom animations to create more engaging, interactive experiences for your users. Outgrow is an incredible platform for creating quizzes, assessments, and interactive content, but did you know you can make these tools even more dynamic with custom animations? This feature is perfect for adding that extra touch of flair that keeps your audience hooked. To get started, first sign into your Outgrow account. If you don't have one yet, you can try it for free with the exclusive link in the description below. That's right, you can dive into this powerful software for free, plus grab our bonus offer when you use that link. Once you're logged in, create or open an existing quiz. You'll need to access the design section where you can make all sorts of customizations. In the design tab, there's an option called animations. Here you'll find multiple animation styles that can be applied to your quiz elements, including answers, images, or buttons. You can choose from preset options, but the real power comes when you add custom animations. For a fully tailored experience, you'll want to utilize the custom code option. This allows you to add your own CSS animations. To do this, go into the advanced settings of your quiz and look for the custom code section. In this area, you can paste your own CSS code to create smooth transitions, hover effects, and even 3D animations that will make your quiz stand out. If you're not familiar with CSS, don't worry. Outgrow also gives you access to tutorials and examples of code that you can easily implement. You can copy and paste these into the custom code box, adjusting values like duration, speed, and even the direction of your animations. Animations don't just make your quiz look good, they also enhance the user experience. Studies show that interactive elements can boost engagement and completion rates. So, by adding custom animations in Outgrow quizzes, you're making sure your content not only grabs attention, but also keeps users involved until the end. Now, if you want to go the extra mile, Outgrow also allows you to control when and where the animations happen in your quiz. You can set animations to trigger based on user actions, like hovering over a button or selecting a particular answer. This level of interactivity can really elevate your quiz's engagement level, so make sure to explore these settings. In addition to custom animations, you can also fine-tune the timing and sequencing of your animations. For example, you can delay a certain animation or make it happen in sequence with others to create a more cohesive and polished experience for your users. Remember, these animations can be applied to any part of the quiz, whether it's the results page, multiple choice questions, or even the progress bar. By adding these animations, you're helping your quiz stand out and encouraging users to interact with your content in a more fun and engaging way. Before you go, don't forget that Outgrow is available for free through our exclusive link below, which gives you access to a longer trial period than most users get. So, if you're looking to elevate your quiz game, check it out and take advantage of this offer today. Now you've got the knowledge to add custom animations to your Outgrow quizzes, making your content more exciting and engaging for your audience. Keep experimenting, and you'll have quizzes that not only attract attention, but also convert better. Remember, this free trial offer won't last forever, so make sure you click the link below and start creating your custom animated quizzes today.